Hello everyone, today we will introduce two electric boiling bottles to you. Sealed cover pressure automatic exhaust, all steel seamless inner liner, no dirt hiding. Below, I will demonstrate its usage and operation for everyone. Add an appropriate amount of water, tighten the cup lid, and insert it into the power cord. Adjust the temperature according to the requirements. Temperature range is Fahrenheit corresponding to Celsius, 45 equals 113.6. After the water boils, be sure to pay attention to the exhaust vent where hot steam will come out. Keep your hands away from it to prevent burns. It is very convenient to brew coffee and tea according to one's own needs. Haha, my colleague passed by. Below we will show you the operation method of this pink simple version style. Add water appropriately and tighten the cup lid. Also, be sure to avoid the exhaust vent to prevent burns. Plug in the power and start with one click. Alright, that's all for introducing these two electric boiling bottles. Welcome to try them out. Goodbye.